Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on PrimeXBT. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your PrimeXBT account, protecting your funds and account data. Launch open the PrimeXBT application first on your device to get started with. Once you're inside the home page logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top left corner of the screen. From your profile page that appears on the screen, scroll down and tap on Security. Under Security, tap on the toggle button right next to two-factor authentication. And then, in order to set up two-factor authentication, you'll need to install the Google Authenticator application from your Google Play Store on your phone or your tablets. Go ahead and click on Next, and then you will be able to see the backup key displayed on the screen. Also make sure that you download and install the Google Authenticator app on your device. Once you have installed the app, go ahead and open up the app and then tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner and click on Enter Setup Key. Now, get back to PrimeXBT app and copy the backup key that is generated at the top and go back to Authenticator app and paste in the key under your key tab. Now in the code name, you can go ahead and enter a PrimeXBT so that it can be recognizable later and click on Add at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add PrimeXBT in your Google Authenticator app. Now tap on the PrimeXBT generated text and paste it in the PrimeXBT application. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to turn on two-factor authentication in the PrimeXBT application right away. So that is how it's super easily done. Adding two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, protecting your funds and data. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.